Welcome to The Bend, where we explore all things Bend and Central Oregon. The Alvord Desert is an otherworldly place. A 12 by 7 square patch sits in the rain shadow of the Steens Mountain in Harley County, Oregon. Planes land here, cars drive here, and in certain times of the year, people try to live here for a few days. We went to the Alvord in spring of 2021 and got reminded that Central Oregon has an amazing cousin, Eastern Oregon. The Alvord Desert is 4 hours east of Bend on Route 20. Once you hit Burns, Oregon, you can choose to go south on a gravel road straight to the desert, or you can take the western route, climbing the backside of the Steens Mountain. We recommend the Steens. It's a 40-mile-long fault-block mountain, not a range, but the single longest mountain in Oregon, and its contrast with the Alvord is striking. But before you choose your path, be sure to stop at one of the most amazing playgrounds America has to offer. The playground in Burns, Oregon harkens back to the 1970s and 1980s when playgrounds were an adventure. Remember when you could launch someone 20 feet off the merry-go-round, swing so high that you free fall back to earth, or fall off that 3-story slide because it's got no sides? It's all here, and it's amazing. So back to the Steens, we stopped at a campground on the Blitzen River for a little camping and fishing, and to prepare ourselves for the raw exposure the Alvord has to offer. Besides the beauty of the western slope and the Blitzen, this side of the mountain is full of rattlesnakes, so be sure to bring your snake boots. The next day, climbing over a shoulder of the mountain, we got our first glimpse of the desert. The Alvord can be an exposed, windy, wet, and even dangerous experience. The top 3 tips we would offer: first, always be aware of the wind and water. This is technically a lake bed, and shifting wind could push water your way and sink your vehicles. Second, the Alvord can turn into an Autobahn, even at night. Choose your camp location appropriately. Last, come prepared and set up camp to ward off the elements. People often travel in caravans and literally circle the wagons to block the wind. If you choose to camp in the middle of a lake bed, a larger caravan creates a bigger profile and offers a little protection from the unfortunate kamikaze driver at night. When setting up camp, pick your bathroom carefully and bring lots of shade. The Alvord offers an incredible amount of fun. Hot springs both at the desert and further inland, 4-wheel exploring. The land speed record was set here. You can try to replicate the land speed record set here. The list goes on and on, but the one thing we can guarantee at the Alvord Desert is that you will definitely see something you've never seen before. Like this airplane that landed on a 2-lane blacktop road to stop and get some supplies. And you will definitely have fun. We've gone to the Alvord a couple of years now, and we're always looking to try something new. The desert inspires you in a unique way, kind of like a good old Star Wars movie. So this year, we decided to race a drone versus a motorcycle.
Copy that. You know you have no chance.
In that smoke wagon. See what happened. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
you like what we're doing with this channel, consider subscribing. We'll continue to do shows on the quirky character and local secrets of Bend and Central Oregon. Next up on the Bend, the best road ride Central Oregon has to offer, Twin Bridges. 36 miles of rolling Central Oregon countryside waiting to be discovered. Thanks for exploring with us.